Hey guys, as a starting YouTube video creator, I always try to improve my video's quality with minimal expenses. In this video, I made a portable lighting stand so I can move it closer to the items I shoot in my projects. As you can see, I used some wood profiles picked up from the garbage and some old LED panels. In this project, I didn't care too much about the final look, but more about the usability of the stand. Watch till the end and let me know what you think about the result. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a thumbs up on it, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. See you on the next one.